All right, just turn it down just a little bit, but as soon as you move it around, the movement, things turn on. You have 3 LED lights that you can rotate any direction you want. I pretty much have them here in front of my garage because I'm always working in the garage. I need to access motion sensor here. You can change the tones for now. You can turn it off, turn it back on. But to turn it off, let me show you something right now. I actually mount it here on an existing area, and I like how it mounts. You just basically, the solar panel mounts in here, giving it good light all around your area. Turn them however you want. I'm pretty much going to set them up here, and then I'm going to turn one of the modes on. So this is one. There's another one. We're going to keep the brightest one. It's going to save its energy. It's going to turn off, and then it turns back on. So it's about maybe like 6-7 feet high. It's gonna light up this. I do have another one. The other one's on that side, but this one I need it here. So look how dark it is. All right, I'm gonna close the garage so you guys can see all the light. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect lighting. So when I come in the garage, I'm able to access it from here. I think that's very important. If you guys can see it, it's fully charging. It has a day to night mode, so you don't have to worry about working during the day, all right, wasting battery. It just shows green that it's charging. So